Have you ever wondered why it rains, or how clouds are made? Weather is amazing. It shapes our world every day. From sunshine that makes us smile to snow that blankets the ground, weather is exciting. Understanding weather helps us plan our day. It tells us what to wear and what to expect outside, so put on your thinking caps and get ready to explore the fascinating world of weather. The sun is a star, did you know that? It's a giant ball of hot gas that gives us light and warmth. On sunny days, the sun's rays beam down on us, making everything bright and cheerful. Plants love sunny days. They use sunlight to make food, a process called photosynthesis. Sunny days are perfect for outdoor adventures, from picnics in the park to swimming in the sea. Rain is essential for life on Earth. It provides water for plants and animals to grow. Rainy days happen when tiny water droplets in the clouds become too heavy and fall to the ground. We wear raincoats and boots on rainy days to stay dry. Some people even like to splash in puddles. Rain helps clean the air and water, making the world feel fresh and clean. Wind is simply air in motion. It can be a gentle breeze or a powerful gust. Windy days are perfect for flying kites. The wind catches the kite and lifts it high into the air. We can feel the wind on our faces and see it rustling through trees. Wind turbines use the power of the wind to generate electricity, a clean energy source. Section 5. Snowy days and snowball fights. Snow is magical. It transforms the landscape into a winter wonderland. Snowflakes form when water vapor in the air freezes into tiny ice crystals. Each snowflake is unique, just like a fingerprint. Snowy days are perfect for building snowmen, making snow angels, and having snowball fights. When snow melts, it provides water for plants and animals, just like rain. Section 6. Clouds, fluffy wonders in the sky. Have you ever looked up at the clouds and wondered what they are made of? Clouds are one of nature's most fascinating phenomena, captivating our imagination and inspiring countless stories and daydreams. From the ground, they appear as fluffy, ever-changing shapes that drift lazily across the sky, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that float in the air. These droplets and crystals are so small and light that they can stay suspended in the atmosphere. When you see a cloud, you're actually looking at billions of these tiny particles clustered together. The process of cloud formation is a delicate balance of temperature, humidity, and air pressure. When warm, moist air rises and cools, the water vapor in the air condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This process is known as condensation. As the air rises, it expands and cools, and the water vapor within it begins to condense around tiny particles like dust, salt, or smoke, which act as nuclei. This is how clouds begin to form, creating the beautiful and varied formations we see in the sky. Clouds come in different shapes and sizes, from fluffy cumulus clouds to wispy cirrus clouds. Cumulus clouds are the classic puffy clouds that often resemble cotton balls. They usually indicate fair weather but can grow into towering cumulonimbus clouds, which bring thunderstorms. Cirrus clouds, on the other hand, are thin and wispy, high up in the sky, often signaling a change in the weather. Each type of cloud has its own unique characteristics and tells a different story about the atmosphere. Cloud spotting is a fun activity. It's a wonderful way to relax and connect with nature. Lying on the grass and gazing up at the sky, you can let your imagination run wild as you identify different shapes and forms in the clouds. Some people even keep cloud spotting journals, noting the different types of clouds they see and the weather conditions associated with them. It's a hobby that combines science and creativity, making it enjoyable for people of all ages. Can you spot a cloud that looks like an animal or an object? The shapes of clouds can be incredibly diverse, and it's always fun to see what your mind can conjure up. Whether it's a dragon, a ship, or a giant ice cream cone, the possibilities are endless. Next time you find yourself with a few moments to spare, look up and see what fluffy wonders you can find in the sky. The ever-changing canvas above us is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of our natural world. Section 7. The wind's mystery. What makes it blow? Wind is caused by differences in air pressure. These differences are created by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. When the sun's rays hit the Earth, they do so at different angles, causing some areas to heat up more than others. This variation in temperature leads to differences in air pressure. High-pressure areas have cooler, denser air, while low-pressure areas have warmer, less dense air. When air is heated, it becomes less dense and rises. This is because the molecules in warm air move faster and spread apart, making the air lighter. As the warm air rises, it creates a low-pressure area near the ground. This process can be observed in everyday life, such as when a hot air balloon ascends into the sky. The heat from the burner makes the air inside the balloon less dense, allowing it to rise. Cooler, denser air rushes in to replace the rising warm air, creating wind. This movement of air from high-pressure to low-pressure areas is what we feel as wind. The greater the difference in temperature and pressure, the stronger the wind will be. This is why coastal areas often experience strong winds, as the land heats up and cools down more quickly than the water, creating significant pressure differences. The bigger the difference in air pressure, the stronger the wind will be. For instance, during a storm, the rapid changes in pressure can lead to very strong winds. Weather vanes and anemometers are tools that help us measure wind direction and speed, providing valuable data for weather forecasting and understanding wind patterns. We can feel the wind's force, from a gentle breeze to a strong gale. Gentle breezes are often pleasant and refreshing, while strong gales can be powerful and even dangerous. Wind can influence our daily lives in many ways, from cooling us down on a hot day, to powering wind turbines that generate electricity. Wind helps to distribute heat around the Earth. By moving warm air from the equator towards the poles, and bringing cooler air from the poles towards the equator, wind plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate. This continuous movement of air helps to balance temperatures and supports various weather systems, making wind an essential component of our environment. Section 8. Weather Tools, Measuring the Magic. Meteorologists are scientists who study weather. They dedicate their lives to understanding the complex systems that govern our atmosphere. By analyzing patterns and data, they can predict weather conditions, helping us prepare for what's to come. Their work is crucial for agriculture, aviation, and even our daily commutes. They use special tools to measure and predict the weather. These tools range from simple devices like thermometers to advanced technology like weather satellites. Each instrument plays a vital role in gathering data that helps meteorologists make accurate forecasts. A thermometer measures temperature, telling us how hot or cold it is. This basic yet essential tool helps us understand daily weather conditions and track climate changes over time. Thermometers can be found in homes, schools, and weather stations worldwide. A rain gauge measures how much rain has fallen. This tool is crucial for farmers, gardeners, and water management authorities. By knowing the amount of rainfall, they can make informed decisions about irrigation, planting, and flood prevention. A windsock shows the direction of the wind. It's commonly seen at airports and airfields, helping pilots understand wind conditions for safe takeoffs and landings. Windsocks are also used in various industries to monitor wind direction for safety and efficiency. Weather satellites in space provide us with images and data about the Earth's atmosphere, helping us to forecast the weather. These satellites monitor large-scale weather patterns, track storms, and even measure sea surface temperatures. The data they collect is invaluable for meteorologists and climate scientists. Another important tool is the barometer, which measures atmospheric pressure. Changes in pressure can indicate upcoming weather changes, such as storms or fair weather. Barometers are essential for predicting short-term weather conditions. An anemometer measures wind speed. This tool is vital for meteorologists, sailors, and anyone involved in outdoor activities. Knowing wind speed helps in making decisions about safety and planning. A hygrometer measures humidity, or the amount of moisture in the air. High humidity can make temperatures feel warmer, while low humidity can make them feel cooler. Understanding humidity levels is important for comfort, health, and weather prediction. Weather balloons are released into the sky to collect data on temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure at various altitudes. This information helps meteorologists understand the vertical profile of the atmosphere, which is crucial for accurate weather forecasting. Doppler radar is another advanced tool used to detect precipitation, its intensity, and movement. It's especially useful for tracking severe weather events like thunderstorms and tornadoes, providing early warnings to keep people safe. Finally, computer models simulate weather patterns based on data from all these tools. These models help meteorologists predict future weather conditions with greater accuracy. By combining data from various sources, they can provide detailed forecasts that help us plan our activities and stay safe. Meteorologists communicate their findings through weather reports on TV, radio, and online platforms. Their forecasts help us decide what to wear, when to travel, and how to protect ourselves from extreme weather. Thanks to their expertise and the tools they use, we can better understand and prepare for the ever-changing weather. Section 9. You're a weather expert now. Congratulations! You've learned so much about weather. You now know about sunny, rainy, windy, and snowy days. You understand how clouds form, what makes the wind blow, and how weather tools work. Weather is a fascinating and ever-changing part of our world. So next time you look up at the sky, remember what you've learned and appreciate the wonders of weather. And don't forget, understanding weather helps us protect our environment and combat climate change. Don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to Elle's Sprouting Hub for more educational videos.